I wish I had someone to benchmark against, but at least I know it's working. Going to Uppsala tomorrow, north of Stockholm, for a race. So that will be, this is the first time this boat gets wet, so time will tell. I will try to film a little bit tomorrow and show you guys. If I do too bad, you're gonna have to ask in the comment section. No, I'm just joking. I will tell you how bad I did, or good I did, but I hope I don't get last at least. This boat was built, or this hull and deck was built in 1989, and it's been sitting in this guy's shed, and I bought it 3 weeks ago tomorrow, and put a winch in it, built a rig, made some sails, well, installed the radio, basically installed the deck, and this is the test bench for my new winch system for the 12 meters. So it's pretty cool to see that it's actually working. I think the boat looks pretty fast. I just seen these sail one time, but I don't think I'm slow, but we will see tomorrow. Maybe I am. Hope everyone is having a good Friday. Not Good Friday, but a nice Friday. So over and out for now. I have one more mainsail, but I managed to forget it at home, so I'll bring it tomorrow. I might test sail that before the race start tomorrow. But this looks okay, but I think the other one I have is a little bit better up at the top. So thank you very much for subscribing. 574 last time I looked. It's amazing. And the miniRival video was very popular, so I will post some more sailing videos now, and I hope to sail the 12 meters soon too, Kookaburra 3. Took a little break from working on it. I've been working on it so hard, and I thought this was fun to finish this boat up and be able to go race it. This I can also bring to the Baltic where I sail by myself, because it's not very heavy. It's like 25 pounds, 1.7 meters long, and it's an early number 57. The guy who built this, his name is Ulf, very Swedish name, and he also built one of these full-size ones, but it was light blue. But I like the black and white. It reminds me of Bob Mercer's boat, and I'm actually gonna put a little tribute to him. He's unfortunately not with us anymore, but it's his sail mold that I have used to create these sails. So tomorrow I will think about Bob Mercer, and his very fast East Coast 12 meter that beat me a lot of times was black and white. So tomorrow, Bob, I'll be thinking about you. I know you're in heaven. So thank you very much for subscribing and liking and thumbs ups and nice comments, and I'll hopefully post another video on Sunday after the races. Thank you and good night. The wind has picked up a little bit, so I'm gonna practice a little bit more and then go home and do some fine-tuning on the sails. This sail was not, I took the wrong one, so this was not finished. The finished one is at home, but special thing with this boat is that it has 3 lower shrouds. So I have tightened the front one, and I'm leaving the rear one slack, so that downwind I can let the mainsail out all the way, because that was something I saw the other guys didn't do. They had those tight, and then the mainsail couldn't go all the way out when you go downwind. So now I've told them. I've given away one secret, but hey, I'm doing this for fun. I might edit that comment away, not say it on camera.